The 2024 Skoda Superb features a sleek and beautiful design that combines classic and modern style elements. Skoda has a unique grille, sharp headlamps, and a nicely proportioned body. The Superb is equipped with cutting-edge technology, including an infotainment system with a touchscreen display, smartphone connectivity, a premium sound system, navigation, and advanced driver aid systems. The Skoda Superb 2024 offers a range of engine options to suit various driving demands and tastes. These options include petrol, diesel, and hybrid powertrains that produce a solid blend of performance and fuel efficiency. The Skoda Superb is recognized for its spaciousness, comfort, and affordability. One of its most notable features is the interior, which offers remarkable cabin space, especially in the rear seats, which have exceptionally generous legroom and headroom. The seats are supportive and comfortable, making long trips enjoyable. The premium materials used in the cabin give the Superb a premium feel. The 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine of the Skoda Superb produces an amazing performance thanks to its fast acceleration and seamless power delivery. The 2.0-liter engine has a lot of torque, so it can be used for long-distance cruising as well as city driving. Performance and economy are well balanced by the diesel engines in the Superb series, which typically have power outputs between 150 and 190 horsepower. The Skoda Superb has received exceptional safety ratings in independent crash tests and is outfitted with a number of safety measures. A number of active safety features on the Superb actively help the driver prevent collisions. The Skoda Superb comes outfitted with a slew of passive safety measures, including front, side, and curtain airbags, which provide a cushioning effect to lessen the chance of harm in the case of an accident.